I don't know what to do. So, 2022, a whole new year. I want to do a little update video because I haven't really been taking YouTube like very fully seriously until kind of now, where I've realized I really enjoy doing it and I want to like really commit to it. So here is like an update video slash plans for the future, and I want to talk a little bit through this. Well, if you've been on my streams, twitch.tv/melody to follow, I've shown this book before. Also, look at the cool stickers. They're from Oni Art, I think I got that right. I bought these cool prints and they gave me free stickers. Very cool, I'll put them on the book. But this book is like all my details about cosplaying. And as you can see, here on my, oh it's flipped, I'll flip it in the edit. Here's my 2021 goals. I wanted 1.1k on Instagram, I did. A Ranboo cosplay. I technically didn't do this because I've got everything I need apart from special effects makeup, and then I've done it. But yeah, one photo shoot I did when I was at a museum with some friends. We did like a mini photo shoot. Burning the envelope. I did it, I finished it, it's up. It took a while, but I did it. The mini mic video I done. Plan Passerine CMV, I'll get into that later. And plan Cosplans, which I did. This I started in November for context, so like a lot of these are 2021 things, but this is my, so for context, that was all of my 2021 goals for cosplay. This is 2022, it's a lot bigger. And I have, as you can see, I have a lot planned. I kind of took like a huge break from cosplaying in 2021 because I wanted to focus more on streaming, but I kind of realized that I still really enjoy cosplay and I want to keep doing it, so I've decided that 2022 is going to be my year with cosplaying and YouTube and all that stuff, and I'm very excited for it all. But I wanted to talk about a few plans I have. Number one, videos. What kind of videos am I going to make? As you see on my channel, I have a lot of like some cosplay videos, but also I have a lot of like Minecraft. I've got my Chaos SMP series, which I never actually finished. I also have some like IRL vlog content, which I still really enjoy, and I kind of want to make more of those videos. But I think the video-wise, I've moved away from like Minecraft stuff and more in towards cosplay. I really enjoy making them and I want to do like more of those things, so expect more cosplay things on here. Number two, big projects. Now, one thing I've always wanted to do when I started cosplaying is something called a CMV. For those who don't know, CMV stands for Cosplay Music Video. It's kind of like a short film slash music video in cosplay, and I've like watched so many of them in my time like cosplaying that I've always wanted to make one, but I never really had the skills with filming or editing, so I kind of always put it off. But now I feel like I've learned a lot of how to edit and also how to record things decently, and I feel confident enough to try and have a go at making one. So in this year I have a few plans of some I would like to make, and fingers crossed, if everything goes okay COVID wise, you know, all that stuff, I hope to do them with friends as well. There's something I really wanted to do ever since I started cosplaying, and now I feel kind of like happy enough and like confident enough to make them, so look out for them. Also, the Passerine CMV has been something that I've wanted to do ever since I read the book, the story, the fan fiction, whatever you like to call it, ever since I read it, and it's something that like I've had like such a vivid memory like of what I want it to like look like, and I have the music and I have the like the places I want to film, but it's just of course logistics, film with other people, finding the places that like I'm able to actually film and stuff, and not having a lot of experience with filming outdoors. I'm not really that used to that, so hopefully that goes okay. By the way, here's one of the songs I would like to use for that. I'm saying one because I think I have multiple songs, but they're very similar. Number three, Cosplans. What do I have planned for the year? I have a lot planned. As you can see, let's go back to this. I have a full list, there we go, full list of Cosplans. I've got some Genshin ones because I've really got into Genshin Impact thanks to like all my friends who have really invested in it. I've like wanted to do some of the characters from that. I think the first one I'm going to do is keqing because very pretty, and also I hit a sub goal on my Twitch, so I've ordered the cosplay. It should be here February, January time, I don't know. Shipping times are confusing. I've actually already done like an Amber cos test. Yeah, but Amber is also on my cosplay list because I like Amber. Amber's cool. Also, I share a birthday with Amber. Some of my big cosplays this year. Number one, Sundrop from FNAF, Security Breach. I've like kind of got really like invested in Security Breach. I never really went for a FNAF phase as most people do, but like I kind of really liked the game, and now I'm like getting into FNAF, and now I understand. And something that I feel like I could do like cosplay wise, because if you don't know, Insomnia, which is a pretty big gaming convention, has announced a new event, Insomnia 68, in April. Now, if you haven't seen, you actually see them there. Can I get them? Lanyards. As you can see, I have been to Insomnia 61. This was 2017. Here's a picture of me at that event. Insomnia 63. I cosplayed as Shaco. This was the first one I went to in cosplay, and you can definitely tell. And then Insomnia 65, where I went as Zelda. It was an improvement, wasn't better, but it was an improvement. And yeah, I'm hoping that in 68 goes ahead and I'm still able to go, then I'd love to go, but I really want to cosplay Sundrop for the cosplay, like, masquerade, maybe championship. And I have this really cool idea planned for it and all, and I'm just hoping that it all goes well, and then hopefully it goes ahead with everything that's going on in the world. Second kind of big cosplay project, I guess, is, in fact, Technoblade. This is someone I didn't really expect to cosplay, but I came up with a really cool design. But I really like the design I made, and also look, I have a little totem of dying on the belt. I've got this really cool like arm harness thing that I want to add, and also I want to try and make the mask that Sadist used for their design, and I think that's really cool. I just have a lot of cool details I want to like include in it, and yeah. And it's something that I think I'm planning on doing for like autumn, summertime, because I have exams in spring, so you know, I can't really afford to like be working on a whole project during that time, so I've kind of had to move a lot of stuff around to fit my exams also. I think my third kind of big project, I think probably my Passerine Wilbur one, because obviously since I want to film the CMB, I obviously need to get the cosplay together for it. Now, since it's a book, there isn't any like reference images for character designs that are like official. There's a lot of amazing fan art that I've definitely used for reference when it comes to designing it. I think this was the main one I kind of used design wise and like color palette wise. Here is the design. This is what I came up with. It probably doesn't look great drawn because, you know, I'm not the best artist, but I like to try and draw out my ideas. The outfit itself, I have a lot of the stuff for. It's just the making it that I'm like, I don't want to do. But yeah, and that's another one that I want to kind of get done for springtime, because hopefully when the weather gets nice, I'm able to go outside and get nice pictures and film stuff. And yeah, so they're kind of like a few of my main cosplans, but also I have a lot more. If you want to see like all of my cosplans, I have a story highlight on my Instagram, I think, where I like constantly update what cosplays I'm going to be doing or what I'm planning to be doing for the month. Also, that leads on to our next point. Number 4. Social media. If you don't know, Wholesome Melody is kind of the name I've been going by on YouTube, on Twitch, on Twitter, on TikTok, that's it. On this I'll be going as Wholesome Melody. However, on my Instagram, my cosplay Instagram, I went as Enchanted Cosplays for a long time, but officially, right after this video comes out, my name will have changed to Wholesome Melody, so now on every single platform, own the name Wholesome Melody or some variation or Wholesome_Melody. So if you want to find any of my social medias, literally just search that and you should find it. But also my current like streaming Instagram that uses Wholesome_Melody, I've changed that to Wholesome_Streams. I'm hoping that I can make so many more videos this year. I have a bunch planned, literally. Hold on, let me show you. I literally have an entire section for YouTube ideas. I'm going to show, but I'm going to blur. These and these are my ideas, but you can't steal them. They're very good ideas. But as you can see, I have a lot of ideas that I really want to make into videos, and I hope you enjoy them. I know it's quite different from what you probably subscribe for, like Minecraft stuff, but I hope you still enjoy the cosplay stuff. And also I have a lot of still gameplay videos I want to do, stuff with maybe Genshin, even still involving Minecraft as well, because I still enjoy Minecraft. I'm also planning on making a lot of like tutorial or like tips videos, and I even want to make some tutorial things for some of my upcoming projects. But yeah, I think that's kind of everything that I wanted to talk about. I really hope this year goes well, because YouTube's been something like, especially cosplay YouTube has been something that I've like enjoyed watching, like Anya Panda and Square One Cosplay I've literally been watching for years, and I really enjoy their videos, and I hope that I can make some good videos too. Also, if you aren't already, press the subscribe button, it's like free, and I really am aiming like quite high this year. I want to try and get 1k, which is a lot, and I know it's probably not entirely doable, but I think if I commit myself enough to doing this, then I can try and reach that. Thank you for watching. subscribe, follow social medias, they're in the bio. Here are more videos you can go watch. Some vlogs, some IRL videos, some cosplay, whatever you fancy. Thank you for watching, see you later! Bye! Bye! Bye!